Hello, 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 and welcome to Teacher Tidbits. I'm Lady Long, and I'm super excited to jump off our 12 days of Christmas craft ideas. This year, we're going to be showing you guys 12 different DIY Christmas decorations you and your kids will love. Before we get started, go ahead, hit that subscribe and the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notifications, and let's jump right in. All right, we're excited because today, what are we going to be making? Some Christmas. Do you remember what I told you this was? Ornaments. We're going to make our own ornaments. And yes, Soleil, that goes on top of it, but we need it to be off because we're going to be filling it with all these goodies, okay? So let's show everyone what we have, okay? The first thing we need is a clear ornament, and we picked these up from Dollar Tree. We also have these pom-poms here. I got them in a variety of colors. These bells, as well as these mirrored snowflake appliques. I have some clear ones, as well as some blue ones. Uh-oh, Soleil, you dropped yours. We're going to pick it up. Good. So you can see my 21-month-old is putting the pom-poms inside because we're going to be making two different kinds. One is going to be a snowman family, and the other, you can see my 3-year-old is putting the red and green pom-poms inside of hers, and she's going to be making a reindeer family. Uh-oh, wait, you need some help? Here, hold this. Finish putting your pom-poms in before you put in your bells, okay? Do all of your pom-poms. Put your pom-poms in. This is great for building our fine motor as well as just a wonderful Christmas craft. Now we're going to put some bells inside. Let's put some jingle bells. Ready? I'm going to put some jingle bells inside. For my 1-year-old, 21-month-old, I have to hold this. It's easier for her if I hold it, but my 3-year-old pretty much got it. How you doing over there, Selah? You got it? Okay, put some snowflakes in yours now.
Mommy,
do the bells.
I want the silver one.
It's okay if you get a silver one. Uh-oh, you want to try to get it out? Okay, let's see if we could try to get it out. But it doesn't matter. You can get all different types of colors. All right, want to put some of the snowflakes in? One at a time.
What else pour out?
You want to pour it out? No, we're going to leave it in. You want to try to get that silver bell out? Okay. So, come on. Let's put your snowflakes inside, Mama. I wanted to show you guys, this is my 3-year-old for the reindeer family, and all I've done is I've painted her 4 fingers brown. Now I'm gonna take her ornament. Keep your hand flat. Ready? Now pick it up. Put your hands on it like you're picking it up. Good. And she places her fingers here. Now let it go. Let it go. And this is what we're left with, and we're gonna leave this to dry overnight and turn these into reindeer families. I've done the same thing with my 1-year-old and her fingerprint. So you're going to take this, let this dry at least 24 hours overnight, and we'll come back and add the little accents to it. So this is the finished product, you guys. Once everything is complete, and I went ahead and added my finishing touches. This is my 3-year-old, and this is how the reindeer turned out once I added the final details. I love it. It's super cute, the little reindeer family. And I'm going to show you guys the details of my 1-year-old. So this is how the snowman family came out, and I absolutely love it. I went ahead and added a pink hat to the mommy snowman. This does not represent our family in any way, but I just thought that it would be a cute little touch. And I love how it all came together. I love doing these DIY Christmas crafts with the preschoolers because it really makes our tree decorations our very own, and it makes things more memorable. The kids love it and they look forward to it every single year. So I think I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree, pick up some more of these so we can make some more just finger families. We may even do some penguins. Any other ideas that you guys have, please leave them down in the comment section below if you're going to go ahead and give this a try. I wish that I did take some time to kind of video the sound for you guys, but the bells do jingle and I can't wait to put them on our tree. This is such a great craft to do because it's a super simple and fun way to make customizable ornaments for your Christmas tree. I love it because it can be done with large groups as well, such as at your church, your classroom, and you can even have this as a craft idea to do after Thanksgiving dinner. So there you have it, you guys, our first day of our 12 days of Christmas crafts with our finger family ornaments. Please leave a comment down below if you're going to give this a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Teacher Tidbits. Happy learning!